Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free $99, cost you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Are you tracking your expenses and how is it going? We're going to be tracking our expenses. Today is actually the 12th. And normally I want to do this on a weekly basis, but because I'm on a low no spend, I really have not been swiping so much. So waiting a week or two has not been so bad for me. As far as my QuickSilver card, I've already put in for the payment of $300 something, which are just for the Georgia Power bill and the State Farm bill. As you can see, it kind of shows you that it's going to be a full credit available because I already scheduled that payment. Now going to our Saver card, which is the one that we use all the time for transactions in my variables, is $197.74. I've gone ahead and wrote out the transactions that are still due in our account here. Where are we going? The wrong way. And here they are for January spending tracker. So I think I need to copy this line though. Let me copy this line down really quick. Okay. So on January 2nd, we have Publix groceries for $32.77, and I want to just add as we go. Actually, let's just open up the calculator real quick. We have $32.77. Okay, and then the next thing that we have, all right, so Walmart purchase was split. Walmart is $71.22 and $13.44. The $13.44 is for a scale. So that actually is just going to come out of medical. It could have come out of household too, I guess. Maybe it's coming out of household. So we'll take it out of household. When I think of like trying to lose weight, I think of medical too, but we're just going to take it out of household. And then this $71 part is going to be for groceries. Okay, so we'll add that in. So we're going to add $71.22, and we're going to add in $13.44. Okay. Now we have our next purchase, which was on 1/6, Angie's Beauty Supply, and that was for some hair beads, some of those, the gold hair accessories for my faux locks, and that's what that is for. So we're going to add in $6.44. Okay, and then we have Publix, which I split bill. It's the same thing from 110. The first portion of it was groceries for $44.71, and the second part of that bill was $29.15. You'll see I made receipts, copies of the receipts here, and broke them down. So we had the scale $12.44 plus tax for $13.43. Then we had a $6 off coupon off of the Zyrtec, which was $32.99. It is like I want to say a 60 or 90 day supply, and so that was $29.15, and that's how I split those up. Everything was on the card. And so let's go ahead and add in this $44.71 plus the $29.15. How do you go back? $29.15, and that's $197.73. Why do I feel like I'm off by some change? It's $197.74. I'm sure I just added something, or something's just slightly off by a penny. I did a lot of rounding, so that's possible that's what's happening. Let's just do a quick add again. $32.77 plus $13.44 plus $71.22 plus $6.45 plus 29.15 plus 44.71. Oh, now it matches. Weird. so now that's weird. Okay, so now it's 197.74, which matches what's in our total. So we know that we have everything. So let's go ahead and make our payment. Okay, and so we're gonna make a payment. Let's see which ones we can add together. So we got grocery, grocery, grocery. Let's add those all together and just pay from the grocery. $32.77, which is groceries, plus $71.22, which is groceries, and we have $44.71, which is your. See, this has a back button. And so $148.70 is going to groceries. So from groceries, which I still haven't renamed. What am I doing? Maybe I'll start that in February. From groceries. And we want it for today. And we're okay, slide and pay. $148.70 has been scheduled. Success. And then we have like to see the money change. And now we have to figure out what else needs to be paid. So right now we're gonna go ahead and highlight that the grocery was paid here. Oh, that's not the one we want. The grocery was paid here, grocery was paid here, and the grocery is paid here. So now as far as, that is very crooked. As far as we have left, we have medical, beauty, and household to pay from. Let's move, what we're gonna do is move over some money. So I'm going to transfer, we're going to go back to our main account over here, and we're going to transfer over $29.15 from medical. So we're going to go from medical, health is wealth, over to Tara's major keys, and we're going to send over $29.15. That ain't it. Okay. And that will be for the medical. Done. And then we're going to also transfer over from Angie's. Oh, not Angie's. We're going to transfer over from beauty, which I don't think we have enough in beauty. Let's be very clear. Beauty only has $4.41. So if we have to pay $6.45 and we only have, let's say, $4, we're going to owe $2.45. So wait a minute. $2.45. We're going to owe $2.45 over here. And I'm going to just transfer the $4, and we're just going to use that $2.45 from our reward points. Submit. Success. Then we're going to transfer the last thing from household $13.44. Success. We've done that as well. Okay, so we've got all our money transferred over. Let's do the addition. $29.15 plus $6.45 plus $13.44. We need to pay $49.04 out of Tara's major keys. So we're going to make a payment from here to Tara, out of Tara's major keys, but today, and we're going to do $49.04. Done. Slide. Success. Our payment has been scheduled. So we have our $148.70 scheduled for payment plus our $49.04 scheduled for payment. Oh, I did that wrong. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, this is when your life. We're gonna cancel this payment. Ay, Dios mío. So we need to make, instead of 147, which was 1344 plus 645 plus 2915. Is that what it was? Child. $49.04. Okay, minus the $2.45 because we still owe that. The payment should have been $46.59. Okay, that's what we're gonna make the payment for. Y'all didn't even tell me. Just got me over here acting up. Other amount, $46.59. I didn't even move to do this. Done. Slide and pay and success. All right, now our two payments are $148.70 plus $46.59, which is $195.29 minus $197.74, which would be a balance of $245. So we have $18.28 in cash rewards. We're going to cover a purchase for $2.45. So we're going to the Angie's Beauty one because technically that's what we owe. I don't know how they break it down, and we're going to pay $2.45 toward it. Done. And continue. And we're going to redeem $2.45. Success. Perfect. Now our thing went down to 15, which is fine. We're just going to close out of this. We paid what we owed, and we're good here. The last thing to do, y'all, is make sure we track our cash. And to be honest, I didn't do much of anything in cash because it's been a snow day. I've been on my no spends, and I've just not been spending a lot in cash. I did, of course, buy gas. So let's go over the things. This is giving, and giving originally had $10. Oh my god, you guys, it got so dark, so I'm sorry if the light is horrible. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 still in giving as far as cash goes. So there's that. And then this is self-care, and I am good right now, actually. So this is 80, and we have 20, 40, 60, 80. I eventually will get my eyebrows done sometime this month because they're starting to grow back out. But as far as like a pedicure and a manicure, I don't know. So 80. And then the last thing we're going to check, which is my favorite envelope, is I did go get gas for $20, but I've already written it down. We had 120, and on 16 I got gas for $20. That should leave us with $100. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. So the only thing I really spent out of was gas. So let's update gas really quickly. That was 16, and that was for gas, and that was for $20. And that was actually for cash. Okay, and we can go ahead and mark that off because that was cash, so therefore it was paid. I don't like when it doesn't hold. Oh, I didn't put the 20. Oh, y'all, I put in 23 and 25. Well, 25 is right. All right, so we've done it. We've tracked our expenses. They're all in there now, y'all. And yeah, we're good. We're good. We're doing really good for it to be almost mid-month. It's currently the 12th today, and I don't have that many expenses, and I don't really see a lot going on right now because it's a low spend month, January. I hope you guys are tracking. Even if you don't like it, try to do it because it's a very good way to understand where your money is going and understand what you're spending your money on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. And overall, when you're done, you'll have a yearly overview of what you spent money on, how often you spent money on it by just taking the time to track your expenses. No, it's not fun, and it's not saving challenges or cash stuffing, but it does help you budget your money well. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you were doing while I was doing my tracking. Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys. Love you. Mean it. Bye. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I am grateful for you. Bye.